guys, today is August 14, Friday, 9:40. I am on Autobahn 1 and in Nettersheim, and now I have to go right to Prüm. I have one small window to deliver, this one, and then I have one customer with 3 small windows in the road for my home, in the way on my home. So I think I will finish until 1 o'clock. Now it's 9:40. It's perfect for Friday. It's perfect. I will start this morning 5 o'clock. I was near Bonn, unload one customer, go to the another side of Bonn in way to Aachen, unload second, and now go third and fourth, and that's all. Yeah. This week was nice. There is no too many stress or something. I was in East Germany, and it's okay. These 2 colleagues from East Germany, they have holidays next 2 weeks, so I think they will send me, I hope they will send me over to drive this aluminium tour. It's nice. So I see, I don't know.
Turn right. Please follow the route for 16 kilometers.
Please. Okay, please. The sky is nice. It's 20 degrees and it's perfect. I like this type of weather. Okay guys, enjoy. My mistake. I was by this device yesterday. It is battery for GoPro, but it's not original. It's some company Mibot. You have 4 batteries and you can charge it in one way, you know. One time you can put 4 chargers, so you can only change. You don't have to. This cost, I think, 33 euros, and GoPro original is cost 45 with 1 battery. It's double only, and you get 1 battery. I don't know, I will try this. I saw positive comments. Everybody is satisfied, so I don't know, think it's great. You have also for USB, you can use it USB type B, USB type C. It's perfect, it's perfect. For now it's perfect. I think 140 milliamperes this GoPro battery, and this Mibote is 1500, so it's more than original GoPro. When I read comments, everybody was satisfied, and I don't know, you see, when it's charged it's red, and when it's finished it's green, so I think it's perfect. Only I have to see it's really durable like GoPro or not, but I think it is. I now record with this one Mibote, and I think it will be good. White cows. We are now on B51. It's National Street, so I think it's connect, because this Autobahn one is stop here and then start again in front of us, and this B51 is connect with this Autobahn. So there's too many trucks over here and traffic.